What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Unfortunately, on this video we are going to be lacking some of the footage. I had an issue with the GoPro and or the SD card, I don't know which, and we lost a bunch of the install video of the camshaft on Robert's car. So instead of making a full video on that, we ended up doing a dyno short, which is mainly just the car dynoing. So I hope you guys enjoy the footage. I got a little bit of the spring install I'll be able to slide in the video here, but like I said, the vast majority is going to be dyno pulls, and I'm actually going to talk a little bit about the tune in the video as well too, showing you the comparisons from, you know, previously when Robert's car was in, we installed we just did the cam. P1SC Procharged setup, a TCI torque converter, and then Cook's long tubes and I believe catless mid pipes. And then this time the car was in, we did a custom boost cam that we got from HHP and put that in. So hope you guys enjoy the gains, enjoy the footage of Robert's car. It's a beautiful car for its age. It's super well maintained, inside and out. The car is very clean, but enjoy the footage. Alright guys, so I want to take a quick second show you guys the log on this run. As far as intake air temps are concerned, the run started at 73 and stayed at 73 for the most part. At the end of the run we got up to about 77, so that intercooler's working good. Pull was made in 4th gear. Got no knock. Timing looks good. Now on this camshaft we did lose a little bit of boost, which is expected. Let's see, go to calculator here. Looks like our barometric pressure today is 14.4. And then our peak pressure towards the end of the run there is looking like 20.9. So we'll do 20.9 minus 14.4 barometric pressure today, and we've got 6.5. Looks like we lost maybe about a half a pound of boost. The The kit normally revving out to this RPM will normally peak around 7 pounds of boost at redline, and we're reaching about 6.5, and I mean 6.5 is right at redline. If you go just shy, you're looking at more, see it like 62, 20.2 here, you're looking at maybe 5.7, 5.8 psi. But yeah, nice clean run. We'll look at the graph here, the dyno graph here in just a second. But looks like we made 534 horsepower from here. I'll get out here and we'll take a look at the dyno graph. We'll compare the last time it was here when it was tuned just with the blower on the stock engine, and then where it's at now with the cam that we just installed. So this is the last run that we made, and then the last run from when we installed the blower. So as you can see, previously the car made 499 and 515 foot-pounds of torque, and now the car after the cam install is making 534 and 544 foot-pounds of torque. So as you can see, you know, nice gains in the mid-range there, torque-wise, nice gains in the mid-range on horsepower, and then no comparison, it carries so much better up top. So from, you know, 5 grand to 6,300, it's just damn near flat. This is nice even power there. So we'll let it cool off a little more, maybe make one more tug and see if it makes any more, but other than that, I believe this girl's about wrapped up. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up on Robert's 2006 Charger srt8. You know, we got the cam installed, the Procharger setup. Car made good numbers on the dyno, and he's actually here to pick the car up right now. That's Robert. But man, sounds good. But that'll do it for this one.